eXp Realty Fees. Well, if that's what you're searching for, you're in the right video. Before I share with you the eXp Realty Fees, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel by clicking the icon button below. That way you don't miss any future videos. Hi, my name is Bryan Decker. I'm with eXp Realty in Colorado Springs, Colorado. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the eXp Realty Fees. So be sure to stay with me till the end so I can share with you how you can leverage the eXp platform to potentially pay for your eXp fees. And also, if you'd like to download my checklist on things to do when you join eXp, just click the link below. Again, please click the link below to download the list of things to do when you join eXp. eXp has no desk fees. eXp has no royalty fees. eXp has no franchise fees. When you start with eXp, or when you come aboard with eXp, I should say, we're all brought in on the same level. We have a 80-20 split commission, which means on a $10,000 commission, $8,000 goes to the agent, $2,000 goes to eXp, which goes towards your $16,000 cap. Once you reach the $16,000 cap, you go to 100% commission for the remainder of your year, and then that clock starts over at your anniversary date. When you reach 100% commission, your transactions going forward after that are $250 per transaction until you reach $5,000 paid in on that $250, which is an additional 20 transactions. And with that being said, then you'll be considered an icon agent at that point. And believe it or not, you're going to get your $16,000 cap money back in the form of stock. So that's a really nice thing, which we cover in a different video. So you can watch the video series to find a lot more out about the equity rewards. So going forward, once you hit the icon level and you reach that additional 20 transactions and you pay that total of $5,000 in on for fees, then you go to a flat $75 per transaction. When you come over to eXp, it's a $149 startup fee, which includes your first month of your tech fee and your first month of your university fee, which we say that's $85 a month because that's what we pay. That's our bill with eXp is $85 a month, which, like I said, includes your tech fee and your university fee. Every transaction has a $25 broker review fee. So every transaction that you have, the brokers review it to keep us in compliance and make sure that we're doing the right thing. We have a $40 risk management fee paid on the first 12.5 transactions, which will put you at $500 cap for your E&O insurance for the year. And these are all US fees. So if you're watching this and you're not in the US, you're in Mexico, Canada, India, Brazil, or any of these other countries around the world that eXp does business in, your fees could be a little bit different. So for what you're getting for the $85 a month, I just kind of wanted to share with you. You get 75 hours of live training from the industry's experts and top producers within eXp, the icon agents from around the country, just sharing the best of the best knowledge that they have, and which is great. From listing presentations to lead generation, social media, and our CRM and how to utilize it. With that $85, you get also our back office, which you can view agent details, see your commissions, your caps, and where you're at in your the status for the year. You can review your agent equity rewards and get real-time reports on everything that you're doing. SkySlope, which is our manages our transactions from beginning to close. It's a totally paperless system. It's incredible, very easy to use, which is really nice. We get an account with Facebook. It's called Workplace by Facebook. We're the largest users in the world with this. eXp is. We have all 75,000 agents are part of this with eXp. Everybody gets an account. We all get a CRM and a lead generation which is tied to KV Core. You get a WordPress website that's put together by eXp, which you can customize yourself and do different things. It's a great system. KV Core, which I just mentioned, you can get it outside of eXp if you want. You spend about $6,000 a year with a $1,000 startup, and it's all part of our monthly fee at eXp. Very nice. I wanted to get into some other fees that agents may or may not be aware of, and different things that you might want to take advantage of, or you may not know about. And one of them is, or two of them are, we have other agent transaction fees. So you can do a personal deal within eXp. You can do a maximum of 3 of them a year and only pay $315 for that transaction. So if you bought yourself a house, or maybe your mom and dad, or you did a fix and flip, you can do those for $315 a year. eXp has a minimum transaction fee as well, and it is it's $565. It's part of your and all that money goes to eXp, just so you know. None of it's going towards your cap. It's just a minimum transaction fee within eXp. Also, we didn't talk much about it. I won't go into it too much, but there is teams. They got team structures as well. I'm going to move my picture here on the deal. They have so you have a standard team where if you're doing $6 million a year and you close 30 transactions, they can set your team up on a half cap. Instead of $16,000, it'll bring it down to $8,000. And they also have the Mega Icon team production, where if you're doing 40 million and you've closed 175 transactions, and 10 of your team members are capping in the last 12 months, you can reduce the cap to $4,000 a year. So they like to reward productive agents in this company in many ways, and you can get reduced fees within eXp if you're a large producer. So we can get more information on this. If you need to, you can reach out to me, or I'll give you some information how to reach me at the end of the video. Okay, moving on. Also, for the new agents, you may be a brand new agent in the business, and you've never even ever had a transaction before. So with that, they're put you into a mentor program, and it's required. So if you haven't sold a property or had a transaction, at least 3 transactions in the last 12 months, they're going to put you on an eXp mentor program, which they're going to partner you up with a certified mentor within eXp. It may not be your sponsor. It might be your sponsor. It might not be, depending on where your sponsor's at. But in essence, what that means is, for those brand new agents, you're going to go on a 60-40 split for the first 3 deals. And how that works is 60% of it's going to go to the agent, 20% still going to go to your cap. So once you get past these 3 deals, you're still going to have that 20% going towards your cap. 10% goes to on the first 3 deals, 10% of the commission goes to the eXp University for supporting the program, and 10% goes back to your mentor for helping you and getting you through the transactions and helping you with everything that's to close your deals at the end of the day. And last but not least, I wanted to talk about commercial just momentarily, because eXp has launched commercial pretty much globally, and they're just doing extremely well, and it's a great program. Same thing applies. We have no desk fees, no royalty fees, no franchise fees, none of those things. It's a generous 80-20 split and only a $20,000 cap. I mean, think about that in the commercial world. I mean, that's huge. Then you go to 100% commission. They have a similar program as a residential. You go to $250 per transaction. After that, total fees up to $5,000, the new icon. And the transaction fee remains at $250 even beyond that. You have a $250 a month cloud tech fee, which covers a broad range of things that all the commercial agents use. $250 broker review fee, much more complicated contracts and and deals that they're putting together on big commercial projects. So it deserves that $250. And then they have a $100 risk management fee as well, with them. These fees are all US. So just wanted you to be aware of some of the additional fees, for even commercial and what's available out there. I told you I'd share with you how you could leverage the eXp Realty platform to potentially cover your eXp Realty fees. You can do this by doing what you do every day, and that's by selling real estate. eXp rewards productive agents through their equity rewards program, which is our stock program. For example, you becoming an icon agent within eXp is a highly productive agent. You can get your entire $16,000 paid back to you by eXp through our equity rewards program, our stock program. And you can also take advantage of our revenue share program to potentially cover your eXp realty fees. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more of my content, please click on the video series in your screen to learn more about eXp. Once again, my name is Bryan Decker. I'm with eXp Realty. And if you have any questions about eXp Realty, please reach out to me by saving my information below or clicking on the link. In the meantime, make sure that you hit like and subscribe to my channel so you can receive other valuable videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.